Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is JVM and architecture of JVM. Before starting, we will discuss difference between JDK, JVM and JRE. JDK is Java Development Kit. It is a software development kit to execute Java programs and applications. In JDK contains JRE and JVM. JRE is a Java runtime environment. JVM is a Java virtual machine. In JDK contains development tools like compiler, interpreter, Java documents. The compiler is a compile your source code into bytecode. Interpreter is check code one by one. And second is JRE. JRE is a Java runtime environment. It is a set of software which is used to develop Java programs. Java runtime environment it provides environment to execute a Java program. In JRE contains JVM and other files, other libraries. Then JVM. What is JVM? JVM is a Java virtual machine. It is an abstract machine. It's also called as a virtual machine. It is a physically exist. Its specification provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. In JVM, all those programs run written in any languages and compile into the bytecode. Then Java virtual machine is available in software based platform and hardware based platform. JDK, JRE and JVM are dependent languages because configuration of each OS is different from each other. That is a JVM. Let's talk about the architecture of JVM. In architecture of JVM, it contains three components. First is a class loader. Second is a execution engine. Third is a memory area. Let's start with class loader. Class loader is a subsystem of a JVM. Class loader is a subsystem of a JVM in which is used to load class files into JVM. When we run the Java program, then it loaded first by the class loaders. It internally exists in the class loader. There are three class loaders. First is a bootstrap class loader. Second is extension class loader. Third is the application class loader. The first is a bootstrap class loader. In bootstrap class loader is a super class of extension class loader. In bootstrap class loader, it loads the re.java files, in which all files contains of Java files like java.util.package classes, java.sql package classes, java.io package classes. Then second is the extension class loader. The extension class loader is a child class of bootstrap class loader. Then third is a application class loader. Application class loader, it is a child class of extension class loader. In application class loader, it loads class files by using class path. Class path is already default. You can change default path by using the -cp or minus class path. Then second is class or method area. In class area, it stores per class structure and methods. Then heap area, objects are allocated in heap memory. Then fourth is a stack area. Java stack area stores frames. One frame, each thread has a new stack area. A new frame is created when the method is invoked. A frame is destroyed when its invocation completes. Then execution engine. In execution engine, there are three components. First is a virtual processor, second is a interpreter, third is a JIT. First is a virtual processor, second is the interpreter. Interpreter reads code one by one. Then third is a JIT. JIT is a Java in-time compiler. Java in-time compiler, its performance is better than JIT, NIT, native interface, Java native interface, JNT. JNT is a framework. It is used to communicate between the other languages like C, C++, and Java. This is all about the architecture of JVM. Thank you.